All right, folks. These are my trading notes for the let's see, 1st of December, 2025, and it is pre-market. We have about 20 minutes before market opens, and we will or I will come back after things get going. Just so you know, this is the 15-minute chart, and this is TradingView. This is the ES. I'll be trading the MES, which are the micros, and I'll probably trade between 5 and 10 so I can scale in and out. So here's a little break, trend line break we're looking at possibly. Uh, the reason I'm saying that is because this is the MACD, and we've already got a green candle like it might want to go up, and it's getting close. This is the 50-yard line or 50 line on the RSI, the CCI. The zero line looks like it's straight across. Looks like it wants to go on up. Here's the once this DMI line crosses, it will be in bullish territory. And my strategy at that point will be, once everything is pointing up, I'll look for a pullback. I'll go down to like a 1 or 2 minute time frame and look for a pullback to get long. So that's the strategy. I will, well, let's just wait and see what happens. Well, we have a breakout. I just came back over here. This is the 15-minute chart, and it looks like it wants to go up. Everything's crossing over just like I said I wanted it to. It's already still pre-market. We do have news at 10 o'clock, which I'm, kind of concerned about that. But what I'm looking at is I want the market to open. I mean, I used to trade pre-market, and I won't say I won't continue to do that sometimes, but I really I wish the market was actually open. So anyway, that's where it stands right now, and I will be back once something happens here. So I'm going to pause it now. All right, let me add this to it also. We have this range right in here between the red and the green line. I really, because of the overnight highs here, I'd like to see the market break above this high from last evening at 8 o'clock in the evening, and then I'll feel a lot better about the push on to the upside. So I just wanted to throw that in there. The market is open right now, and it looks like it wants to go up. It's been open for 5 minutes. This is still the 15-minute chart. I am looking for, well, these are all lining up except the DMI. What I want to see is the DMI, that's the directional moving index, I want to see the blue above the red line and start opening up. So see how it's opened up here down to go short. Everything was red above, and those were giving you the opportunities to look for on a lower time frame to sell short. This was the overnight, which I did not trade. So that is my strategy. That's what I'm looking for, and we will see what happens. Yeah, real quick here, this is the book map, and 68.25. If it can break on through there, it's probably going up to 68.35. That's been there, that red line. Those orders have been there for a long time, for over the last few hours. This one, the 25, not so much, but it looks like it's, yeah, they absorbed, so looks like it probably wants to go on up, and we will see what happens here. And I'm long 10 micros at 33, I think, and a half. I'll have to go back and look. This is the book map, all these orders up here. That's kind of a magnet where they want to go to. I had an order in at 38 to sell 2. I may put that back in. Let me go check it. Let's see. Yeah, it's looking a little strong right now. The only problem is in 6 minutes we got this news coming out. Well, here we go. Looks kind of strong. Let me I'll just hang on here for a minute. See if I'm going to put at least one down here at 40. Put it right at 40. I usually put in right below, so if there's a lot of orders right at 40, I'll put it in at 39. But since we're putting up more orders here as it's getting higher, it looks that to me, I mean, from what I know of Bookmap, it looks like it's bullish. So it could go on up here up to 49.75. It's 96 orders up there. Let's see what happens in here at the 40s, and just kind of hold tight. If we blow on through it, it's probably a pretty good sign. This is going on up. That doesn't always mean it will. Okay, I took out a little bit. I'm up 350 bucks right now. Start fading some more. Let's see here. I'd like to make about 500 bucks on this deal. And it's looking pretty strong here. Okay, I'm up 450 bucks. I don't want to get too greedy here. Let me take off a little more. Okay, so these next two orders, or next three orders, if I break in there, I should make my $500. We'll see. We got 4 more minutes. Let me look at the till the news comes out. Yeah, it looks like there's 108 orders sitting here at 45, 42 and a half. We got to break through there. I don't want to. Let's see here. Let's see what was the high there. 43. Let's see if we can break on up here, guys. Excuse me. Let's see. Come on. We push on up. Bring this one on down. Still good momentum. Yeah, look, that's a really strong candle right there. All of my confluences that I like, this 15-minute candle, are looking strong to the upside. So let me go back over here. If we can just push on up here, fellas. Guys and girls, whoever's trading that market. Okay. I'm going to go on and put my stop in 38. Let's see. Yeah. I don't want to lose. If it breaks below this low at 38.50, it could go on down. Like right now, it looks like it wants to go on down. Yeah, I'm taking my profit. Okay, so I made 337. It could still go on up, but that's okay with me. I'm good. I may be done for the day. I'm not sure yet. I will freeze it now or pause it and come back if something looks good. All right, so we just had the news come out and it popped up above 45, or right at it hit 45 even. So after that news came out, I went ahead and put in my order one tick above 45 and a quarter is where it's sitting. Let's look at Bookmap, see what it's saying. See, yeah, it hit 45 and was rejected. Still some orders up at the 50 area, so maybe it'll go on up there. We will see. So I got 6 contracts, 6 micros right there. I may add a couple as it goes if it goes on up. So I will pause it now and see what happens. All right, so here's the pullback. Again, this is the 15-minute chart. Everything is still looking bullish as what the the confluences are saying. And yeah, everything's still looking bullish. It could go down though, but that's why I still have my orders in above the high right here, and we'll see how it reacts when it gets up here. If it just ticks and then takes off down to the downside, I'll get out pretty quick. But I don't know. It may never make it back up there. But I will check this out and see what happens. So here's a side by side with the NQ. Both of them are looking like they still want to go up. And I just don't want to put, right now I'm feeling hesitant to go on and just put in a bull flag, which is showing probably a safe spot would be above this high right here, because I think the NQ is going to pull the ES on up if it breaks high. But let's see how it's looking over here. Yeah, I think I'm going to put in an order above that high. That high's 39. Let's say 39 and a quarter just to see what happens. And if it can break up in there, because it's still looking a little bullish. The only thing is I really don't like doing this because this is still a news candle right here. The high is right there for the news. In fact, as I say that, I'm going to pull the order. I like to be safe than sorry. Um, well, I mean, this is trading. Oh, okay, here it's breaking. Let me go 39 and a quarter. Is that what I said? Yeah, let's try that. Just see what happens. Because, like I said, I like to see them go together. That broke that high. It's news high at 10 o'clock, but it's not continuing. So I'm going to pause it. Well, it looks like it's pulling back. I don't know if it could continue on up. Who knows? But I think I'm done for the day. I made a little bit of profit. So I'm going to call it a day. And this will go in as my trading notes. Instead of keeping a journal, I do videos and talk my way through it, so I know I can go back and know what I was talking about, what I was thinking about, what I did. So I hope you had a good trading day. I did. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.